Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. What's the matter, E?
Oh, I hurt my toe playing on the slide. It's really sore.
You poor thing. You need to be careful when you're playing.
Kōkā, do you know how to make E feel better?
Yes, I do. The forest has rongoa, medicine, that will heal E's toe.
Whereabouts in the forest, Kōkā?
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
Ko Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, ā. Is everyone there?
Ai.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao Arapū. You're very special.
Ngā mihi rā. I've hurt my toe. Kōkā told us there's medicine in the forest that can fix it.
Ruru is with me. He's wise and knows everything in the forest. Would you like to ask Ruru?
Ana, Pāpā Rākau.
But you must visit Kōkā first.
Ka pai, let's go see Kōkā.
Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā. Pāpā Rākau says Ruru can help us find a medicine for E's toe. It's not hurting so much now.
Did you know that the Ruru, owl, comes out at night?
How?
Ruru is a special friend. He's agreed to come out during the day to help E. Just a minute, Pāpā Rākau's calling you.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived. Ruru is still here.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, Ruru.
How's your toe, E?
It's not hurting now, but the skin is broken.
Ruru says that Kawakawa will fix it. Do you know what Kawakawa is, Tākaro Tribe?
How?
Let's take a look. Kawakawa grows in Aotearoa's forests. It is widely used in Māori medicine. It has heart-shaped leaves and is used to heal cuts and skin rashes.
So the Kawakawa will make E's toe better?
Ana u. If you follow Ruru, he will guide you to the Kawakawa in the forest.
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we follow Ruru?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
Oh! Whoa!
Goriake! Out of the way!
Whoa! Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong.
Pooh, today you need to follow Ruru into the forest.
All good, Pāpā Rākau.
Don't forget your recycling bags.
Aye!
Ah, you can collect pepper, paper.
Aye!
You collect the krahe, glass.
Aye!
You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumi e, hui e, tai ki e.
All aboard, Tākaro Tribe. We're off.
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
Lead the way, Ruru. Look below us, Tākaro Tribe. The forest is filled with all kinds of trees and plants. The Kawakawa grows anywhere that isn't too cold. Look, Ruru must have found a Kawakawa. Hold on, we're going down. Backpacks off so we can collect rubbish. Look, Tākaro Tribe, we're in the heart of the forest and no rubbish to be recycled.
Yay!
Ruru says this is Kawakawa.
Wait, Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock. Kawakawa is the word of the day.
Oh, but how will Kawakawa help E's toe? Ira, look. Ruru has a leaf.
You need to wrap the leaf around E's toe. How do you feel now, E?
My toe will soon be better. Yay!
See what you can do when you all mahi tahi work together.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. You're back.
Ruru led us to the Kawakawa tree. And now my toe is getting better.
Ka pai. Let's take a look at what our friends have been up to today.
Kawakawa. Kawakawa. Kawakawa.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was beautiful.
Let's take another look at what you did today. First, E hurt her toe. Then Pāpā Rākau said, Ruru, owl, could help. Ruru showed us the Kawakawa herb that heals the skin. You learned a new word, Kawakawa. K, a, w, a, k, a, w, a. Ka, wa, ka, wa. Kawakawa. And Kawakawa made E's toe better. Now that was a beautiful day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Mārie, good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moinga. Takoto iho ki raro e pai ai o moe moe ia. Kia au